Oh, looking out the window. Yeah. Yeah. Looking out the window. They're cute.
In this version, you guess, okay?
Enrico, what are you looking for?
One from Piemonte or from Toscana.
Okay.
Something maybe better in Rome.
There are a lot of wines here to choose from. This is a shop called Metro, which is like Costco, and they have a huge wine section. Here you can buy by the bottle, and from this part you have to buy the entire case. They have the Moet and other kinds, but why? I'm actually not a very big drinker. Martini. I like Asti. I like Asti though. We chose a case. So we bought an entire case of the Muller Tergau. It's like a sparkling wine, like a Prosecco. And the great thing about it is that one bottle is actually $2.79, but you have to buy 6 bottles, so it costs more. I'm not good at math. What is it? 16 euros?
Belle. Panasonic, belle Dio buono. Sai di quelle belle bombate? Sai?
This is Enrico's birthday present.
Belle,
they
no?
arrived today in the mail because I got them on Amazon.
Dopo. Sì, ciao.
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 Which headphones are they?
Are the Panasonic RPHT-X7A, which I don't know the model, but I like the shape. Look. They seem very good. I can open it now if I'm able. Wow, look. They have a protection here. Fantastic. I love them.
So I researched online for the best headphones under $50.
Okay.
And
so
then after doing some research, I chose these ones by Panasonic.
See, the problem is that I'm not a scientist, but I don't know how to
open the box.
Ecco here. Wow.
And like I read that these are good for composers and quite professional. And so since you're a composer,
see, even cazzo.
It's good.
Sì.
When I touch the pads, like, you know, that go against your face when you wear them, I don't know the technical term, but they're really soft. And they're really comfortable and light. Freyja really likes this chair. Yeah, it's nice. There's only a little space there while Enrico practices. But, that's okay.
No, Harry. No. Harry. Gets worse than my parakeet Pete. He's dead.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm sorry, Harry. What happened? His head fell off. His head? Yeah, he was pretty old. Oh, that's it.
That's too funny.
I've had that with this jump.
Yeah, me too.
Food, no jobs. Our pets' heads are falling off. Okay, just calm down. What the hell are we doing here, Harry? Get out of this town! Yeah, go where? Where are we gonna go?
I love Jim Carrey.
Someplace warm.
This is the best. One of my favorite movies is actually Dumb and Dumber, and now I hear they're coming out with Dumb and Dumber 2. Can't wait to see it. Hope they show it in the original language here, though. If not, I'll see it later when I visit Canada, I guess.
The French are assholes. Wait a minute.